everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video it's a BoxyCharm unboxing. Look how big and heavy this box is. I am so excited. If you guys saw my my Instagram of the reviewing of this product, I'm so excited because we're actually gonna open it together for my channel, for all my YouTube viewers. If you guys want to see what I have inside, which palette from Tarte I got, please keep watching. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by and liking my content. If you're a recent subscriber, I've been a long time supporter, thank you so much for always being there in every video. But if for the new subscribers, hope you stick around. Look at my pretty face. I mean, can you not look at it? Well, this month's June BoxyCharm. It's heavy, it's big, and I'm so excited to open it with you guys. BoxyCharm, not sponsored. This should. So, I'm excited because, okay, there's a story with this. Big story. I thought I lost it. I thought, I wasn't gonna get it, but I finally got it. So, big relief. I was about to fight with the people in my, my apartment complex, and I was like, girl, no, don't mess around with my BoxyCharm. Anyways, so let's open it up. So we have Boxygetaway. It comes with the Tarte Taste Pro Glow Cheek Palette. You guys, a long time ago was about to buy this palette and I got it. I'm like happy. Touch and Go, no problem. Prime Essence. We got the primer, no problem, something like that, and I loved it. I still have it. I use it little. That way it can last me for a long time. Then we have the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. Let's see about it. Skin Cold Aroma Truffle Therapy Whip Cleansing Cream. I've been needing a cleanser. You guys saw my empty video. I ran out of it. So how to want them as a mask. I hate mask. Okay. Oh, the Touch and Go No Pore Blem Prime Essence. I did go to school, just if you guys are wondering, I did go to school. Calendar with the flower extract. Ooh, let's open it together. Ooh, it's the Pore Blem Prime Essence. Pose. Ooh, sorry. I always do that a lot. I get so excited when I get. It's kind of like watery. Oh yeah! Wow. Damn. Ooh, feels good. Oh, I love primers like this. I really love primers like this. This is what I always ask for. Liquidy primers. So let's see what it is made of. I don't know, I think it's in Korean or something. See that? See that right there? Yeah. Okay, well, flower extract. Oh, it smells really good. Wow. Next we have the Skin Cold Aroma Whip Polishing Cleanser Cream. See. Oh, okay. Well, that's good. That's really good that it comes sealed. Let's see. Let's pour it. Oh, so it's like a cleanser. Ooh. Oh, I love cleansers in nighttime. Like not just that. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, that doesn't. Ooh. See that? Wow. Like goes in clear, and then you can actually like wash it. Kind of looks like a lotion, but it's truffle therapy whipped cream cleansing. It's gentle, jet effective cleanser and makeup remover. Now let's try the Dominique Cosmetics. First time trying anything from her products, and it's on the color Peach Tea. That is really pretty. Dominique Cosmetics. Let's see how it feels on the lips. And swatches just to see how it looks. It's creamy. It's not like sticky. It's creamy, really creamy. I just wouldn't wear it on a windy day. I'll probably have all my hairs on my face. Yeah, but I like the packaging. I love that pinkish color. You guys know I do. It's so pretty. Yeah. You guys have no idea how I was praying to God, please let me get this palette. Oh, please. You guys have no idea how much I've been wanting this palette. Just so beautiful. Glow level extreme. Let's open it up. I just love the way it opens. Let me see. I hope I don't drop it. Look how pretty that looks. Oh my god. I just love this. Ooh, looks like chemical. So it comes with blush. Let me see if I go like this. Okay. So it comes with blush, 2 sets of brushes, highlighters, and bronzers. And we're gonna do a little bit of swatches. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram. I actually did it. I already did an unboxing on my Instagram channel. Instagram, if you guys follow me, my link is down below. Just if you just wanna follow me. It's like, so like I said, it was like 2 bronzers, 2 shimmers, 1 bronzer. Wait, 2 blushes, 2 bronzers. No way. 2 bronze, 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, 1 bronzer, but the other bronzer looks kind of like shimmery, and that's really pretty. And by the swatches, wow, really pretty how it does. Let's see. I already have some bronzer on me, but oh, that's pretty. That looks really, really pretty. And then the blush. Not bad. Last but not least, you got some sheet mask. I hate getting sheet masks. I mean, I know, you know, here and there, but I kind of like never use them. Like, so I'm like, to me they're like so boring. I prefer makeup, or you know, something like, you know, like the wash right here, you know. But it's a Wonder Sheet Mask, Maki Berry Antioxidant product from Korea. And you get 3. I might give some to my coworkers, or maybe like include it in giveaway. Should I do a giveaway? Comment below if you guys want me to do a giveaway. I have so many goodies to give out. I haven't used them, I haven't touched them, but you know, untouched product, and I might do it a giveaway. So if you want a giveaway, comment below. Oh wow, this month's theme was so exciting. Like, everybody was so excited for it. I was excited with the palette. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you like my content. If you're new here, you know, let me know what you think. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I'm me on Snapchat. Thank you guys so much for watching my video.